To enter recovery mode on the Motorola Moto G15, first you will need to hold a power button and volume up button while your device is powered on. Hold them until your device boots off. And after that, just hold them again for a bit longer until you can see a funny menu on the left side of your phone. Now you can navigate this menu by using a volume up button to scroll and volume down button to select. And we want to go for recovery mode, which is located all the way on the top, and then selected with volume down button. That way we'll see a no command window, and we want to keep clicking on all of those three buttons multiple times until the recovery mode shows up. So it should go like this. And right here we just saw a recovery mode, and I just rebooted my phone, so sorry for that, but that is basically how you can do it. You can do it a bit slower just to enter that recovery mode, and that is everything.